Why in India is the cow considered to be holy? And not only holy, she is also considered as a mother. People in India pray the cow. Why? Let's find out. Cow is referred to as the Gaumata. In the Indian scriptures, cow is also a symbolic and is treated at par with the mother. India has been a pastoral economy, and in such an economy, cow has not only served with the dairy products but also as a source of income apart from the agriculture to the people living in this subcontinent. In the Vedic era, the Indian subcontinent has been facing situations such as drought and famine. In such a situation, the cow has taken care of the entire population by feeding them, just like a mother takes care of her children. Now let us understand as to why the cow is referred as the Gaumata. Just like an axe is made up of iron and wood, so is our body. The human being is a complete total of the physical body as well as the energy body. The energy body, which is also referred to as the soul or the consciousness. Now, if we study the Darwin theory of evolution, we see that the humans have evolved from the apes. But that is about the physical evolution process. When we refer to a story by Gautam Buddha, during his regression of his going back into his past life and entering the animal kingdom, the consciousness entered the animal kingdom through the womb of the cow. This makes us conclude that the human being, which is a total of the physical body and the energy body, the consciousness, the human physical being evolves from the apes, whereas the human consciousness evolves from the animal kingdom through the womb of the cow. And I believe that is one of the possible reasons the Indian sages who knew about this concept referred to as Gaumata or the mother cow. That is why in India, cow is given the status of a mother and is regarded to be as holy and is prayed in the entire subcontinent.